Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then find the contact which you'd like to customize and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one. And tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. And then let's tap on add picture. And as you can see here, we've got different categories from which we can choose the photo from. So we can either choose it from the gallery, or we can open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. In Google Photos, we've got our own photos which are backed up. Here we've got also monograms, so we can type in the first letter of the name or surname or both. And no, that's not what I wanted to do. You can type here, you can change the background color, you can also change the font, totally up to you. And the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, so if you do not have any kind of photo, then you can try to find something here. We've got a lot of really interesting options, interesting categories, so highly recommend. So let me pick maybe this one. Now we can choose the presets, which is also quite nice. But basically, no matter whether you will choose the illustration or the photo, you will be able to crop the picture. So you will be able to basically zoom it in or out. You can change the position of the photo. You can change the size of this highlighted circle. And thanks to it, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.